MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, RockAuto.com, and State Farm.
1 year and around 19,000 miles have passed in our Subaru Crosstrek. It's just back from a road trip to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and all that seat time made it obvious how much more solid and refined this redesigned model is, thanks in part to the new global platform. The Subaru Crosstrek is turning out to be a pretty decent road trip car. There's enough space for a fair amount of cargo. The hatch opens up really wide so you can access that cargo, and it doesn't drink a lot of gas. There is some road and wind noise coming in on the highway, but that's really just highlighted by the fact that nobody in this car has talked to me for the last 4 hours. The 2-liter 4-cylinder and CVT are more than adequate, and no complaints when we fill up. We're averaging 29.2 miles per gallon on regular, right in line with the government's numbers, all while being a versatile member of our long-term fleet.